Hey everyone, we're going to be unboxing the home security from Camduck here. It's kind of like a secret little camera. Show that off in just a second here. See, so we have high-end camera, expert, hidden camera experts. This is the Camduck X, as you see there. So this is going to be the actual camera unit itself. Alright, so looking at the unit itself here, reading from the little booklet. So of course it has the USB-A's, has USB Type-C, has your normal plugins. That is 1250 watt, so 1250 watt. That is actually pretty decent there. Then it has a hidden built-in indicator light, which is right here, a little dot. And then this also has, no, I'm sorry, it's actually hidden. So it's actually like about here. It's hidden. And then the lens is somewhere about here. Hard to see on camera. You can sort of see, you can barely see it right where my thumb is, right above my thumb. So that is the actual hidden camera. And of course in the back here you have where it plugs into the wall. And then there is a hidden micro SD card slot right there, or SD slot right there. It has this little piece on here. You gotta pop it off with like a knife or something. Fingernails don't really do it. Then up here too, that little R, that little hole, that is gonna be a reset button. So I stick something small into there and it'll reset back to factory default settings. Yeah, so it's just a quick unboxing and quick look at this little guy here. It's pretty cool looking too. It's like little ears. It looks just like your normal charging station. So, but yeah, it's hidden camera. So stay tuned, channel. I'll be making a review of this once I've used it for a little bit and see how it is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.